Shout out to all the bands, all the promoters, everyone working to make this thing happen. Thanks to everyone standing back there, over here, there. World fucking peace. This song is about, once again, mental shit. Even on the best days, I wake up and hate myself, and I work every day trying not to hate myself a little bit less. Life sucks. Life's good. Doesn't matter. My brain tells me I suck. It's okay. We don't suck. Look at all these beautiful people. Let's fucking go.